PG medical counseling process is completely a strategic process. Each and every step, your decision making is important in PG medical counseling. You have to take proper decision in terms of selecting the states where you will be participating for the counseling, and for each and every state where you are participating you should be having a proper strategy. I have already given informations regarding many states and their counseling process. In today's video, I will be giving you information regarding one particular college counseling process where the cutoff generally goes low. In sense, the student whose rank is above 70, above 80,000, they can also expect clinical branch in this particular college. I am talking about Sikkim Manipal Institute of Medical Science, which is located in Gangtok and which is well established private medical college. It is a private university, in fact, and year of establishment 2000 in the year of 2000 or 2001. In this time, it has been established. PG started around 10 years back. Generally, I give first the information which all students should participate in this counseling and that particular state's counseling which I am talking about. But today I will inform that particular thing at the end of the video. First, I'll tell you in this particular college which all branches are there. Okay, you guys go through that. First, I'll tell you which all branches are there. This is the branch in Sikkim Manipal Institute of Medical Science is having MSCNT, MS OBG, MS Ortho, MD Radio, MD Anesthesia, MD General Medicine, MD Pediatrics, MD Psychiatry, MD Biochemistry, MD Physiology, Community Medicine, Microbiology, and Pharmacology. These all branches are there in this particular college. Now I'll tell you in each and every branch how many seats are there. Okay. MD Anesthesia, they have total 4 seats. MS Ortho, 3 seats are there. MD Radio, 3 seats are there. MD Physiology, 3 seats are there. Psychiatric, 3 seats are there. Microbiology, 2 seats are there. OBG, 2 seats are there. Pediatrics, 2 seats are there. General Medicine, 2 seats are there. And Biochemistry, 2 seats are there. Community Medicine, 2 seats are there. ENT, 2 seats are there. And Pharmacology, 2 seats are there. So this is the number of seats in different specialization in this particular college. Now I will go to different category in this college. See, in Sikkim Manipal Institute of Medical Science, they have different category. First category is that is for Sikkim category. See, in Sikkim category, fee is very, very low. While it is what is mentioned, the applicant seeking admissions under this category should contact Director of Technical Education, Education Department, Government of Sikkim conduct. So you can consider this category is completely like a government quota in private college. That kind of category it is there. Second is, it is very important, that is general category. In this particular category, all over students are eligible. Any part of India students are eligible in this particular category. I will tell you what will be the fee structures later on for different category also. Next is Northeast category. Northeast category, refuse Northeastern state, Assam, Arunachal, Nagaland, Mizoram, Tripura, Meghalaya, Manipur, Sikkim. These all students are eligible. They should be having certain certificate for that. This is the thing. Apart from the defense categories, there are also in defense category, they will be having preference 1, preference 2, preference 3. It will be there. And at the end, their management category is there. In this management category, fees are very high. Now, I will tell you what is the fees of different category. So you will get an idea about that. Now, first you can see general category. What I told that all over India students are eligible in this general category. In general category, MD Pediatrics, okay, Caution deposit registration amount is there, but normal the fee is 29,60,000. This is the fees for MD pediatrics. Considering the private college, it is quite reasonable. MD General Medicine 29,60,000, OBG 29,60,000, Anesthesia 25 lakhs, Psychiatry 23 lakhs, Orthopedics 29,60,000, ENT 27 lakhs, Radiology 35 lakhs, and other non-clinical subject it is 5 lakhs. So this is the MDMS different branch fee structure, and you can see here in SMIMS the student will be getting chance to make the payment in 2 installment. Okay, first installment, second installment. Generally what happened in yearly the student have to pay at the beginning of the session, but here they provide you that the opportunity to make the payment in 2 installments. Okay, so apart from caution deposit and the fees, it is there. Now, if you see the Sikkim Quota, okay, in Sikkim Quota, what I was talking to you, their fees are very reasonable. You can see pediatrics, general medicine, OBG, these all the branches fee only 10,35,000. Anesthesia 9,20,000, psychiatry 8,70,000, orthopedics 10,35,000, ENT 9,70,000, radiology 11,70,000, and other non-clinical subjects 2,56,000. This is the fees for other branches, Sikkim Quota. Now, what I was talking to you about the management quota. Management quota fees are very high. In MD General Medicine, management quota fees 53 lakhs per annum, OBG 53 lakhs per annum, orthopedics 53 lakhs per annum, radiology 66 lakhs per annum, anesthesia 44 lakhs per annum. So this is the management quota fees, and the student can pay it in 2 installment. That is the facility is there, same like general category. So apart from that, there are hostel fees which is mentioned here. You can see hostel fees are there. Okay, generally in Sikkim Manipal Institute of Medical Science, the official stipend amount is around 40,000. Okay, officially the stipend what they show, that is 40,000 in SMIMS. So this is the fees of different category. Okay, of different specialization. You can see the management quota and general quota. What I shown you here, management quota and general quota. You can see this is the general quota fees, and this is the management quota fees. You can see this is the management quota fees for different branches. Which all branches management quota seats are there, their fee structure is there. Now I will tell you that which all students should apply in SMIMS. First, I will tell you one important fact about SMIMS. In SMIMS, the counseling process is there. You only have to do the registration. At the registration time only, you will have, after that, they'll be giving time for choice filling. You have to give the choices because it is only one college is there. So the process is also a very simple process. So you have to give the choices, preference 1, preference 2, which all branch you want to give in that way. But in SMIMS, generally, I have seen the counseling process happen little late. So the student whose rank is good rank, it is 20, 30, 40,000 in that rank, instead of SMIMS, if they target other states also, they can get their required branch in other states also, because SMIMS process happened little late, as I told you. But in case if your rank is above 50,000, then you should do the registrations in SMIMS. Along with other states, you should also continue the counseling process in SMIMS. Might be in round 1 you have participated, you didn't get. Maybe round 2 you have participated, you didn't get. Round 3 you participated, you may get. Or maybe after that also you may get. So you have to continue doing the process in SMIMS along with your process in other state. In the beginning only I told you, in counseling is nothing but making a proper strategy and taking the decisions in right time. So considering that, you can see I'll tell you that this is the 2024 PG SMIMS admissions list, the student who took admission. So you can see psychiatry in general category where the fee is reasonable fees. I shown you. Cutoff is 42,181 in psychiatry cutoff, and interestingly, you can see the date of admission. Date of admission is in the month of December. So the student might have got the seat in third or fourth round. December. Same, you can see the MD anesthesia. MD anesthesia general category 80,000 is the rank. Now you see what is the fee structure in MD anesthesia in general category. You can see only 25 lakhs. So the student who has got MD anesthesia in general category, his fee was 25 lakhs per annum. Same psychiatry, again you can see this candidate has taken psychiatry 42,000, this candidate has taken 58,000 approximately psychiatry. ENT you can see 74,921. This candidate has got ENT in general category, and what is the ENT fees? 27 lakhs. So it's a good opportunity only for this candidate. Almost 75,000 is the rank, and he has got ENT in SMIMS where the fee is 27 lakhs. So this is a good opportunity. MS general, MS orthopedics, you can see MS orthopedics 59,000, 87,000 rank. They have got their MS ortho. What is the fees MS ortho? You can see MS ortho almost 29.6. It is around 30 lakhs is the fees. And in this student, if they would have tried in deemed university, the fee structure would have around 40 lakhs. Now coming to very interesting branch, that is radio diagnosis. MD radio diagnosis 36,526. Okay, this is the rank of the candidate he has got in radio diagnosis and there. And what is the fees there in radio diagnosis? You can see 35 lakhs. 35 lakhs is the fees. So that is also a good allotment for the candidate. Now, OPG 39,000 also student has got. Now you can see MD anesthesia, a student rank is 1,16,609. He has got MD anesthesia here, and it is in management category. Now, what is the fee in management category? Now, why I'm showing you, so you can understand that which rank student should participate and what will be the approximate fees for that. MD anesthesia, 44 lakhs is the fees. This student has taken admission in 44 lakhs fees in MD anesthesia in SMIMS. Okay, but this candidate, 97,000 rank, this candidate has taken in low fees only, you can see. Radio diagnosis 77,373. Generally, 77,000 rank student, it is very difficult to get radio diagnosis. Even in All India counseling also, some state counseling also. But you can see the student might have waited and he has got in MD anesthesia in the fees of, you can see in the fees of around 66 lakhs. 66 lakhs is the fees of the MD radiology. MD radiology. This is the candidate has got 77,373. This is the rank of the candidate. He got MD radiology in management quota where the fee is 66 lakhs. Now, why this allotment is a very good allotment? Because in this rank, getting radiology itself is a difficult job. Where the student maybe the student has participated in round 1, round 2, round 3. This could be round 3 allotment or after that allotment also, and finally he has got the seat. Coming to next seat, you can see OBG management quota. See, OBG department is also very demanding department of MS OBG. Here in MS OBG you can see 98,530 rank. In management quota, the student has got seat. What is the fees there in MS OBG? MS OBG fees is 53 lakhs per annum. So, in deemed university, in this rank, for sure you will not get MS OBG. But the student, he has participated and he has waited there for the counseling, maybe till 3rd round or 4th round, and he has got the seat there. So that is the reason I told you in counseling, it is very important to make the proper strategy and take the decision in a right time. Same like if I can tell you regarding the medicine, 74,545. Dr. Ankita Chakravarti, you can see medicine. She got in management quota, and where the fee is in management quota medicine 53 lakhs. This is also a very good allotment for this candidate. Like that, there are many students are there. Even you can see this candidate MD Pediatrics, 85,000 rank. Many student is having demand of MD Pediatrics. 85,000 rank student has got MD Pediatrics in general category. In general category, okay, maybe in the last round. In the last round, he has got there. So there are many categories are there. You can see the Sikkim government category where the fee is 10 lakhs only. So naturally, there the reservations will be there for the Sikkim student. Now, what I'll tell you actually, I would not say that the student whose rank is around 80,000 or 90,000 or 1 lakh, they should follow this and keep waiting for the SMIMS for the third or fourth round. Rather, I will tell you, you should participate in the different states where you have possibility. At the same time, you should keep SMIMS also as a backup of options. You should not leave SMIMS. You never know, you may get at the end of the counseling. What I shown you, even the student, see here, can you imagine a student can tell you 85,331 rank student got MD Pediatrics in general category. What is the fees in general category? MD Pediatrics fees is only 29,60,000. Student, hope you understood which category student should participate in counseling in SMIMS. There are hardly any student is there whose rank is within 20,000-30,000 in that range. Mostly all the student rank is above 30,000, 40,000 in that range. Okay, so you should also make your plan accordingly. If you have any query regarding SMIMS, you can give your query in the comment sections of the video. And SMIMS registration process is going on. If you want to do the registrations in SMIMS, you have to go there and you have to apply here. That will be having some procedure for application. You have to apply here. This is the link for SMIMS. SMIMS, there is no security amount, only you have to pay the registration fees, only that is there. And this is the document which will be required for the admissions in SMIMS. You can see this. This is the document which will be required: NEET scorecard, NEET admit card, age proof. Okay, all this normal document which is required, that you will be having the requirement. If you are looking for counseling services for SMIMS or any other particular state, okay, we provide the paid counseling services where we take care of the end-to-end process for the candidate, starting from giving information, registration till the allotment and admission of the candidate. You can call me in this number given for the paid counseling services. If you want to know which all include in our paid counseling services, I have a dedicated video regarding paid counseling services content. You can go through that video. You'll be able to get complete information. Thank you so much, students.